If you've been searching for a simple, natural way to supercharge your soil and attract a thriving worm population, then you're in for a treat. In today's video, I'm sharing one of my favorite garden secrets, the rice water and molasses trick. It's easy to make, totally organic, and your garden worms will absolutely love it. More worms mean better soil, healthier plants, and less work for you. So let's dive into how this humble homemade solution can transform your garden from dull and lifeless to rich, living, and full of underground helpers. First, let's talk about why worms are so important. Earthworms are the unsung heroes of a healthy garden. As they move through the soil, they aerate it, allowing water and oxygen to reach plant roots. Their digestive process breaks down organic material into castings, nutrient-rich waste that acts like a powerful natural fertilizer. In short, the more worms in your garden, the more fertile and alive your soil becomes. But worms don't just show up in any soil. They need the right conditions: moisture, organic matter, and microbial life. That's where the rice water and molasses trick comes in. This solution is basically a microbial feast. It feeds the beneficial bacteria and fungi in your soil, which in turn creates the perfect environment for worms to thrive. When the worms sense that the soil is full of tasty microbial life, they migrate in fast. So, how do you make it? Start by saving the water from rinsing or soaking rice. When you rinse rice before cooking, you're washing off excess starch, and that cloudy water is loaded with carbohydrates that microbes love. You'll need about 1 liter, which is roughly 4 cups of rice water. If you're not cooking rice today, you can make rice water intentionally. Just soak a handful of uncooked rice in water for an hour, then strain it out. Next, add 1 tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses to the rice water. Molasses is a powerhouse ingredient. It contains sugar, iron, calcium, and magnesium, but more importantly, it's a potent microbial stimulant. The sugars feed the good bacteria and fungi in the soil, kicking off a chain reaction that attracts worms in droves. Mix the molasses into the rice water until it's fully dissolved. You can use this mixture right away, or let it sit for a few hours to allow some microbial activity to begin before applying it. To apply it, simply pour the mixture directly onto your garden beds, especially in areas where the soil feels compacted, dry, or lifeless. Make sure the soil is already moist, or water it lightly before applying the rice water mix. Then pour generously. You want it to soak into the top few inches of soil where worms typically feed. Within 24 to 72 hours, you'll start to notice changes. The soil will look darker, richer, and softer. And if you gently dig around the area, don't be surprised if you see earthworms wiggling around. This trick doesn't just attract worms, it sets the stage for long-term soil improvement. Over time, the microbes and worms work together to break down organic matter, reduce compaction, and create healthy living soil. Now here's a tip to make this even more effective. Follow up with a layer of mulch. After applying your rice water and molasses mix, add straw, leaves, or shredded paper on top. This protects the soil, locks in moisture, and gives worms a cozy, cool environment to thrive in. Plus, as the mulch breaks down, it adds more food for microbes and worms alike. And remember, consistency is key. You can apply this mix once every 1 to 2 weeks during the growing season. Over time, you'll build up an incredible soil ecosystem, completely naturally and without the use of chemicals. So if you're looking to attract worms, improve your garden's health, and boost fertility the natural way, give the rice water and molasses trick a try. It's cheap, easy, and surprisingly powerful. Your worms and your plants will thank you. Thanks for watching Gentle Herb Living. If this tip was helpful, give it a like, leave a comment about your results, and don't forget to subscribe for more herbal and natural gardening wisdom. Until next time, stay grounded, stay green, and let nature lead the way.